Good morning. I have to get up really, really early today for the breakfasts. Good morning, little ray of sunshine. And good morning, other little ray of sunshine.
Good morning.
And good morning, third ray of sunshine.
I thought you were going to say good morning, dampener on the cloud.
What's been done outside? Where?
Well, at the shutters,
Oh, I will, but you've got to tell me which way to go.
well, now I've just told you the shutters of the chapel.
Yeah, but there are shutters everywhere.
Oh, take a walk to the chapel and you'll see.
Okay, Percy, I'm very, very excited to see what's happened whilst I've been gone.
Well, look over to the shutters.
I don't believe it, and I just walked straight past. Oh, that's beautiful.
Shall we put that stretch?
No. It looks like a jaunty angle.
Percy likes it at a jaunty angle, Mummy. He wants it at a jaunty angle.
Yes, it's so much like Percy. It's jaunty angle bit.
There's the jaunty bench.
The jaunty mummy leaning against it.
Yes.
Percy's going to show us what he's done in the chapel.
Oh, there is exciting.
The doors look so good.
And it doesn't scrape on the floor any longer.
Oh, incredible. It doesn't make that sound. And it smells delicious as well. Oh, look how good they look.
That one's not been done yet, Gerry. The tiles have been done.
Oh, you've laid these ones back down.
Oh, wow.
I wish I had a before shot of that. The floor was in such a terrible state. Oh, it's such a beautiful chapel.
It is. I was in here saying my prayers this morning.
Really?
Yeah, I said my rosary here this morning.
You actually genuinely have a rosary?
Yeah.
You literally carry a rosary around? Like, I thought you were joking and I turn around and you're holding a rosary.
Yeah, I said the rosary this morning.
Well, how do you do it? It's a
10
very
Hail Marys.
small rosary.
Well, there's 10 Hail Marys.
Is that for people who don't sin very much, that rosary?
That's for people who are good Catholics.
Okay, and if you see someone with a bigger rosary, it means
You know,
you stay out of the way.
They've got a lot of repenting to do. They're the ones to worry about.
And today you were in here praying for England to win tonight.
No, maybe Croatia.
Gerald?
Yes.
We have got the lock working on here, by the way.
So we're all going to run out and leave Gerry.
Look
you see my
how
prayers?
they close and open.
Okay, let's see how they close. Let's see how they close.
This one hasn't been done.
I was going to say. Well, you can see the huge difference now that you've oiled that side. How beautiful it looks.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it's wonderful. Really, really wonderful. Are you happy with it, Percy?
Yes, next week we'll do this one. I'm happy that it clears the tiles because it was scratching on you. Come
I
on,
think
Ian.
Ian has decided to leave us in here. Ian, please.
It was somebody's comment about Croatia that did it.
England's coming home. They're coming home. They're coming home. England's coming home. Croatia. Allez la France on Sunday. England's coming home.
You little git. You little git. That rosary worked, didn't it?
Yeah,
That chapel's got powers.
It certainly has. That rosary I said.
He's used your chapel
I am
against you.
holding you solely responsible for England's defeat.
Fair enough, I can take it.
Well, good morning, darlings. You've grown again whilst I was away.
So breathing.
You're doing breathing exercises?
I need fresh air.
I have no idea what you're talking about and no idea why you're dressed
It's
like
so
that.
dirty. Because I'm going into that dirty room. And it's filthy.
I just want to show everyone your safety footwear.
Yes.
They're ready for anything, really.
everything can go in the machine, you see.
I can't believe you're my mother.
No, I have my doubts personally too.
Is this a two-person job?
Yes, absolutely. A two-person job, no question.
Yeah, there is so much, look.
Okay.
It is a two-person job.
I think you just like doing everything together, the pair of
Yeah,
you.
well, lately we haven't done. We've been thrown different poles.
Yes,
I'm very sorry to hear that.
different parts of the world.
Oh dear.
Well, we're going through the grinder, aren't we?
Oh, I think you were
I love to Percy. I thought you would never ask.
Oh my god,
Yeah,
the entire
we-
kitchen's gone
one, two,
completely mad.
1, 2, 3.
I haven't got anyone to dance with. This is completely unfair.
1, 2, 3.